Jumped out of bed today to blue skies and sunshine. So me have to give thanks for life. Although the road rough sometimes, still no complain or me gracious. Enough man did me wake up. Me not dumb, me not blind, me not deaf, me not cripple. No my bone them not break up. So there is no complaining. Judge I give thanks to the sunshine.
There's a wasp nest in the room, and Daddy didn't feel like he needed to tell me or share this vital information with me. And Kumari slept in here last night, so can you imagine? Can you imagine? Welcome to Jamaica. Good morning. Oh, I thought you was naked. Good morning. Say good morning. No, say good morning. I didn't say breathe. Say good morning. Say good morning. It's a girl about she no want depend this vlog, yeah. For what? Okay. Okay. Say hi, them never see you the last time. No. You're going to behave yourself. Come, turn around, say hi. Turn around and say hi. Mother and son, whoa yo, killy get crazy now. Hi. So guys, we're in Montego Bay. Came down to get some stuff for Daddy, and then come back down again. If he gets what he's getting. So yeah, and I have to change out my funds and stuff. So you know, it's fine. Yeah. But yeah, we're just reaching Montego Bay. So yeah, Daddy, what street is this? Which avenue?
St. Clavers.
St. Clavers. Okay, so this is St. Clavers Avenue. I walk up here a whole heap of time, but I don't know what this. I only know like. Let me turn it on to the. I only know like Barnett Street. I only know which part with Clark there. God. Clark, I only know Sam Sharp Square, like street names, like if you tell me like, oh me, yeah, like if you, oh yeah, and St. James Street. If you tell me like to meet you there, like I could meet you there, but other than that, like you'd have to give me something to like point it out and be like, meet me over there. So yeah, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So yeah. Cartoon from the 80s. Hi.
In love with every part of you, but if you style me, I come after you. Now go invest my money and you take me for fool. No, it nah go so. Cause remember said it do we no start, yes sir. Me love you deep in my heart, yes sir. Hey, cause you're the right kind of girl. What for bring for my son or my daughter, sir. That one your name fine wine. Girl, I saw you sexy all over my time.
Say good morning. Say morning. Until I feel like off of my shirt something, man. No. This little boy is gonna mash me up. Anyhow, you guys, Daddy left me somewhere. So yeah. We're just waiting to make a next move. I gotta. Holy shit, yo, I'm sweating like crazy. Anyways, still stuff to go do. Like get my chip. And. I like get my chip and change up my money and yeah. So yeah, check in with you guys a little bit later. Before I say bye, don't touch it. It's sounding good for grab. Watch out. Is that bye? No, no, say if you do it. Let's say if you do it. Say bye. Good afternoon, guys. So, as you guys would have seen earlier, one in town. Went in town, followed daddy to do something, and then he left me with somebody. And then yeah, we're just in town. I went to change out some money, the money that I had on me, and then went to digital, got my chip. Keep hearing cars. Yeah, I got my chip. And then we came home, and then Kumari sleeping, fell asleep on the ride back. So I'm here making him his lunch so that when he wakes up it's ready, because before we left here, fed him, and then I've never eaten nothing in town except for some of our patty. So I'm making him his soup. Yeah, so I'm making mint soup, and then yeah, nothing's really going on right now. Tajil can't talk to me because he should have been home, and now he's not here. So yeah, I'm over him. And so yeah, that's the motive right now. I'm just making some ramen noodles for Kumari. Top truth, where's the lie? Guys, I think I want a baby now. Not that I didn't want one before, but anyways, yeah, this is not the time to talk about this, but yeah, I think I'm ready. So yeah. Let me show y'all Kumari. Look, your mother come here this morning, right? For come get the stuff that mama bring for him, and look, everything just left out all over the place. Everything just left out all over the place. The only thing Katie unpacked was fear stuff them, and she still end up leave some of her stuff. Anyways, here's Popsy. Smell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh god. Yeah, so that's all that's going on for right now. Obviously, if something else happens, I will come back to you guys and let you guys know, but I just wanted to check in and let you guys know what's going on for so far for the day. Yeah, I feel like the day you come and like the next day is like thawing out type of stuff. But yeah, the rest of the group is coming down today. I think they're leaving tonight at like, oh, I think they're leaving, I think they get there for 8. I think they get to Jamaica for about 8 or 9 o'clock. So yeah, toodles. Me there try feed the boy, yeah, and I be a shit in my shit. Khamari, you don't have any home training. Your parents never teach you any better. You don't have no shame. I guess not. Lord God. Anyways, come, make we eat some more of the soup. This is so much harder with one hand. Anyways, come, open up wide. Open up, move it on. Open up. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Is that yummy in your tummy? Is it, Popsy? Is that yummy in your tummy? I should tell Grandpa to bring me a bag juice. Got more snack. Hurry up and finish weighing I'm out, man. You're such a slow eater. I don't know how your mother is your mother. Say bye, vlog. Say bye, YouTube. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. But yeah, well, I'm probably so tired for. Say bye. Say bye. My name is Kumari. Goodbye. So freaking cute. Okay, bye. You guys look right, come and him come bearing gifts. Come, let me see the bag. An expensive bag too, you know. Look, people name brand John Sport Talk Truths. If it is what I think it is, oh my God! Roy, you are my best friend for this trip. Why you? Oh no, wait. Oh Jesus. Wanna know what? Wanna know what? Wanna know what? Wait, bag tight. Well, I can't do some bad. Hell. Well, any answer come from? Oi, oi. Oh my God, and they look so pretty. Voila. Guinep. You guys don't know how long I have not had Guinep, like, in Jamaica. I have not been to Jamaica for a summer in years. Like, wow. Thanks, Roy.
Hey, that's very easy.
Thank you. God, I'm so excited. Like, all right. Yeah. Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you so kindly. Yeah. Hi, Pops. Yo, the one thing I hate about Jamaica is that as you put on something, if you're not take it up quick and take it up, like, who sent for y'all? Who? Oh, una about a baby formula. I don't understand. Yeah. Oh my God, like, now I gotta go eat some Guinep. I say, the Guinep, sweet me some love sock Guinep. I love Guinep, like, that's legit my favorite fruit from Jamaica. Like, Guinep, Jamaican apple, pear. How about pear? Plum, June plum, mango, I'm gonna count pine and melon and them something because you know, right, but pineapple is lit. But like the fruits that you can get in foreign, Guinep, June plum, no, Jamaican apple, June plum, mango. You want some? You want some again? Okay, y'all watch me like some and talk to y'all something. What is it? This boy feels like your man, sit down, lie down. Don't sit up. Stay down, see me here. Just a up and puff. I call him, I'm call him Muscle Man. Come you might do. Whoa, Jesus. Can I show you this? Whoa, yeah, talk to me nice, come on, mineable. Talk to me nice, come on, mineable. Try to break up yourself anyway you're dead, yo. I'm a baby, that's enough? Yes. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this and I'm not doing anything. Current just gone a while ago. We came back just a while ago. I was here, I was trying to do something to Kumari's hair, but I can't. I need elastics, but I took it out because it looked terrible. Daddy's outside working, and yeah, that's all. All my friends are at work. So I don't think I'm going out today. I'm gonna message my uncle actually, because if I'm gonna come, Emma will send nothing to me.
Okay.
Like, okay. So yeah. And then I think I'm gonna make the goodie bag for the kids, because I need some space in my suitcases and stuff to line out my outfits and stuff like that. I feel like my vacation's almost done. I'm not yet, but I'm just waiting for Friday on Saturday, because that was the main purpose of the trip, as I said. And then as I said, December I'm gonna be there. I don't know why my boobs look so big, but this bra is amazing from the Senza. Talk to me nice. Come on, my little goodie. What you are? Oh yeah, and this is my $2 crop. I didn't even get to do my outfit of the day today, you guys, because I did not do the try on haul video. Talk to me nice, come on, mindable. But yeah, let me go link up my uncle and see what I want, and then see what I want for later. I think later I'm gonna go to Kiana's and spend the night. I think this is like the only night I'll be able to. And then give her back our picnic. Come and check the mansion and stop calling. I'm gonna carry my way by the way, son. So yeah. But yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
And then I'm about to show you this day. You're not going to know about it, seriously.
Say auntie. No. What was that? Say auntie. Don't shame me. Say auntie. Come, people, me teach them how to say auntie. Say auntie. Hello. Before I go exchange back the boots, say auntie. That's titty. Say auntie. People, I'm absent and I'm absent, and just I go and, you know, Kumari. Say auntie. Ow! Say auntie, man. Stop, man. You might give me, God forbid. Say auntie. Anyways, later we try to come back again one of them day, but right now I'm not cooperation and Canada. But this is the last time you guys are gonna see Khamari for this trip, because his mother don't want nobody to ever pick me, so I brought him back home. And yeah, right? Yeah. Say auntie. Say auntie. Jesus Christ. Say auntie. Say auntie. Come on. Say auntie. Come, tell the people them say auntie. Say auntie. Say auntie, man, and let me leave you alone. Say auntie. Alright, go on.